What's up, tech lovers? It's your guy Khalid. Today we are diving into the coolest and the most innovative products from Product Hunt. So buckle up because we are about to explore the future one product at a time.
Some products launching today, so maybe let's start with that. All right, let's. So what is Feather? Your content on Notion and automatically publishes it to SEO friendly blog. No coding or designer skills required. Huh. Sounds like an awesome deal. Let's just visit their website. It seems like they got pretty good feedback from the community, and they got about 267 votes up already. So that's impressive. Let's just go into their website and see what they got. Seems like the idea for the product is pretty much, you can write an article on Notion and turn it into a blog in minutes. I know many people uses Notion and it's a pretty handy tool for them. But in terms of the overall usage of Notion, I've been seeing, it's been decline over last few months. So I don't really know if like how well it's going to stand out. The problem with these, type of ideas are, they only last until the other products are successful. Feather is pretty much reliant on Notion. I was wondering, what would be the exit strategy? Because sure, it could make a couple of bucks, and how do we go from there? What's your end vision, for the product? Is it just do they want to stay being a nifty tool for the Notion users? I know Notion wouldn't go away anytime soon, but still, I think from a longevity standpoint, again, it's a nifty tool for the users, and you can gain a few users that uses Notion. But how do you scale from there? How do you grow? That is the real question for Feather. Let's just go into helping docs, and they can customize. Yeah, I guess overall it's a pretty nifty idea. They don't have so many blogs. That is understandable. They're just launching the product. Yeah, I quite like the UI and looks and feel of it. Okay, scoring time. All right, so if I am to come up with a score for this, I would give it 4 out of 10.